Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt the energy shift? People turning their heads, eyes drawn to someone who didn't even say a word. No flashy clothes, no dramatic entrance, just presence. There's a secret to that kind of silent magnetism, and it all starts with body language. Welcome to the hidden language of attraction, the kind that doesn't rely on expensive colognes or rehearsed pickup lines. This is about mastering the physical signals that speak volumes before you ever open your mouth. Most men overlook these simple yet powerful truths, but once you understand them, you'll notice how differently the world responds to you. Confidence isn't something you tell people you have. It's something they feel from the way you move, stand, and look. The way you carry yourself sets the tone for how others perceive you. Before you speak, people have already made assumptions based on your posture, your eye contact, the position of your hands, even the way you walk into a room. The truth is, your body is always talking. The question is, what is it saying? Let's start with posture. It's not just about standing up straight. It's about the message your spine sends. A strong, upright posture communicates strength, stability, and control. Shoulders relaxed but not slouched, chest open but not puffed out. Imagine there's a string pulling you upward from the top of your head. This kind of posture doesn't just make you look better, it makes you feel more confident. Your physiology can change your psychology. That's not just a motivational quote, it's backed by neuroscience. Think about when you see someone hunched over, arms crossed, head down. They look closed off, insecure, maybe even defeated. Now picture someone standing tall, hands relaxed at their sides, chin level, making eye contact. That's authority. That's someone you want to listen to, someone you want to know. Your walk says more than you realize. A slow, deliberate stride shows you're in control. Rushed, erratic steps suggest anxiety or a lack of direction. A man who walks with intention doesn't need to shout to command attention. People just notice him. There's rhythm in his step, confidence in his pace, and presence in his silence. And then there's eye contact, one of the most powerful tools you have, yet one of the most misunderstood. Holding eye contact doesn't mean staring someone down. It means being present, really looking at someone when they talk, letting your gaze linger just long enough to show that you're engaged, not intimidated. In conversation, it shows you value what the other person is saying. In silence, it can speak desire, challenge, or calm dominance. But what about your hands? Most men don't think twice about what their hands are doing. They fidget, they stay buried in pockets, they cross their arms in a subconscious shield. All of these gestures send signals of discomfort, nervousness, or closed energy. Let your hands be visible. Use them naturally when you speak. Keep your palms open and gestures purposeful. It makes you look more trustworthy, more honest. It brings your words to life. Facial expressions, too, play a crucial role. A genuine smile, a raised eyebrow, a slow nod, they're cues of interest, intelligence, and charisma. But they have to be real. People can sense inauthenticity. That's why developing your body language isn't about learning fake poses. It's about aligning your internal state with your external signals. When you feel secure, powerful, grounded, it shows. But here's the key. You can trigger those feelings through your body language first. Another hidden detail? The way you use space. Most men shrink themselves. They take up as little room as possible, trying not to stand out. But high-status individuals do the opposite. They claim space naturally. Sitting with relaxed limbs, leaning back slightly, feet planted solidly. It shows comfort, confidence, and that you belong. Not with arrogance, but with quiet certainty. Pauses in your movements matter too. A man who's always shifting, twitching, tapping his foot, or looking around seems unsure. A man who moves slowly, intentionally, who allows stillness to exist without needing to fill it, radiates calm power. That kind of presence draws people in. It gives others space to be drawn toward you rather than you chasing their attention. Clothing and grooming do matter, of course, but they're the frame, not the picture. You can wear the sharpest suit in the world, but if your body says insecurity, that's what people will remember. Conversely, even in the most casual attire, if your body speaks confidence, control, and calm, people will be drawn to you. People remember how you make them feel, and your body language is often the first and strongest emotional signal you send. Whether it's in a boardroom, a bar, or a quiet one-on-one conversation, mastering these unspoken cues gives you a magnetic edge. One that doesn't need to be loud to be powerful.